So I have a string here, hello world, and let's say I want to make it lowercase, all of the characters. How do I do that? Well, to lower, I guess, right? So I guess we'll take a pointer here. SP plus SP, and SP equals SP to lower SP, right? You can do that, but how does that actually work, right? Well, you have probably done this before, right? Like, oh, let's say use this char s, and then you like try to use a string in a switch statement, which will not work. But if you use a char here, it works. If you use a string, it's gonna complain it's an integer, not an integer, but a char actually works. Well, if you try to print a character with a format integer, like print a here, it's actually an integer. And you can look up the ASCII table here, but you don't really need to memorize it or anything, but you can see here a is 97, and a uppercase is 65. You don't really need to do that, because if you do a minus a here, well, what is 5 minus 5? It's 0, right? Like, it's 0. And because of that, what we can do is, well, I guess let's do a to lower, right? So printf, let's do the printf here. We can do a minus, or b minus a. So it's gonna be, if it's a, it's gonna become 0. If it's b, it's gonna become 1 or something, and then plus a, and that's gonna convert it to upper, because what we've done here is convert it to the base. So like, so it starts from 0. If we plus a here, it starts from 0, right? Or 1 in the case of b. Plus a, it's gonna convert it to the uppercase, because the a, b, c is contiguous, right? So if we do this, well, it is still an integer, but if we do character here, so it's from b, right? Wait, what? Oh yeah. Like this, it becomes the b uppercase, right? So what we can do here is use a switch statement, and we don't actually need this check here, so we can actually get rid of this, since we can do it in the switch. So let's make an infinite for, or I guess not, but with a break here, sp, and if it's a null, we can just break, right? Otherwise, continue. And then what we can do is make a macro for each type of things, right? You can have a case alpha, upper, lower digit, whatever, and then you can use it, right? So we can do case upper, right? We want to convert it to lower. We can do sp equals sp minus, we're currently upper, so make it go to 0, plus a. And I'd be surprised if the compiler doesn't like optimize this, because these are integrals, but and if we do that, it works, right? And the cool thing is, if you want to like have another case, for example, you want to convert the space to something, right? Underscore, you can do that. Without actually doing like if, you know, is lower, and then if is space, or, you know, whatever, right? So yeah, hopefully that's